intsha esiyaphapha iyavunyelwa, too much freedom.
Salibonani
Njani
Makhadi. Okay, namhlanje singena ephumula sizokhuluma nge-teenage pregnancy, sizozwa imbono yabantu abachiyeneyo on i-issue ye-teenage pregnancy.
Oh yes guys, sebesizwa ama different opinions ukuthi yikuyini okukhoza ama teenage pregnancy sisebancane. Danko
Banani. Ngiyaphila. Okay, ngihamba nobani namuhla?
Hamba noSamantha Nkomo.
Okay, bengicela ukubuza ukuthi what's your take on teenage pregnancy?
Mina ngikubona kwami ngicabanga sometimes ama abuse endlini, sometimes umntwana oyinkazana yakwanisa ukuphuma abaleke, ikakhulu ebantwaneni abamankazana abangavunyelwa ukuphuma phandle. Isikhathi esiningi ngavela thola ichance yokuphuma phandle, uhlaphuma maybe ayenze into engayisiyo, abaleke, maybe athola ukuzithwala khona apha abaleke. Sometimes lokuyengana lingabangane ezikolo bakwanisa ukuyengana bephana nama advice angayisiho.
Okay.
causes teenage pregnancy. What's your honest view?
I could say lack of education and guidance, also peer pressure from friends. Okay, on that lack of education, most of the time people should, in fact youth should be taught how to do, like to go on with the sex thing. And then on peer pressure, I think they should not follow friends based on maybe they will say that since we don't have money for our basic things, we should go into and sell our body so that we can earn money. That can lead to pregnancy and also some other things. Then on e-guidance, I think parents will take good role and teach them on about this thing that they're not supposed to do based on e-sex. Mostly they should introduce some condoms and is it contraceptive or what? Yeah.
Okay, so they should educate us about sex.
Yes.
Okay.
Like they will be telling you positive things. Basically, they cannot say that no, you can go and do sex with a condom. No, but then they will teach you more details, including everything.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi, ngiphilile dadewethu.
Okay, so ibizwa mbani?
Igama lokuzalwa nguEzra Khumbulani Ngwenya, kodwa hayi abaningi bathi ngo-Switch.
Okay, Switch. So, what's your take on teenage pregnancy?
I-teenage pregnancy into nje esisihluphile kakhulu lapha emdenini. Ngoba uyabona ukuthi uyathi abazali lathi obhuti size odadewethu basibafundisa. Umuntu engaqedile isikole ngu-form 3 usezithwele. Hayi into levele iyasihlupha nje emoyeni, into nje esikhathazayo sibili.
Okay, so ubona ngani imbangela yakho konke lokho ngikuyini?
Uyabona thina sithe sikhuliswa sesingadodozwa thina besifakelwa umthetho esibesiwulandela kathesa intsha esiyaphapha iyavunyelwa, too much freedom. Wona la amafoni la aphambanisa peer pressure banganini, umfuna ukwenza izinto ongazaziyo ngumntwana. Thina sasilinda size sikhule sibona hayi khathesi senginjani, sengiqedile isikolo sengifundile, khathesi uyadunga form 3 form 1 so sithwala hayi into le hayi.
Okay.
From the community, siyabonga, we thank you for your time. Lizwile, teenage pregnancy caused because of lack of knowledge, lack of guidance, sometimes peer pressure.
And guys, ngakhona okubona ngani akuzange kwakhulunywa, you can edit ku comment section. Thank you till we meet again.